know really well how to represent the built environment, but we don't know how to represent behaviors in cities. And I think it's the new layer we need to add. We rely on technology, we depend on technology, but I think the important thing here is to put the technology at our service. Trying to make people understand that we need to rethink, we need to redraw the cities. That means that we need to make, again, a lot of analysis with new layers of complexity, and with that, we can provide new solutions.
How can we take data that's hard to understand and represent it in ways that people can use it to have a direct impact on policy? We need to build data sets, we need to hack them, and we need to share them. I believe big data will not change the world unless it's collected and synthesized into tools that have a public benefit.